This is what the fireplace looked like when we purchased the home. The mortar was separating from the drywall, so I need to chisel that out. And also there's some separating and cracking at other places, like at the floor and the corners. So I'll be chiseling those out also. I'm using a chisel and a hammer to carefully take out the mortar. So I got all this mortar cleaned out, but when I got to the bottom corner of the fireplace, the mortar was completely cracked and it just slid out in one piece. So I numbered the bricks and I'm going to remortar the bottom bricks and all the bricks in between to fix this corner. I used Quikrete mortar mix type S to fix the cracks. So this is an experiment. I don't know how it's going to work out, but what I've mixed together are just some different color browns, grays, creams. I mixed with it a little bit of this pouring medium and then some water. So we got the cream and kind of a grayish cream, charcoal and brown. And I'm just going to start applying this with a foam brush to the fireplace and we're gonna see what happens. I can't find my GoPro right now, so we gotta make do with what I have. So I started with the dark stains and randomly chose bricks that I wanted those colors. Then I started on the right side of the fireplace with the lighter wash. You can see the difference in the picture here. And this is after it is finished. I did not stain the mortar. I kept a rag with me in case the wash would run or drip. Here's a reminder of what it looked like before and after. And this is how dirty the chimney was outside, and my husband power washed it, and the bricks are now white again. It looks so nice. Here's a reminder of the before and after. The next project is the front porch patio. We removed all of the landscaping and we're going to remove this flagstone part and get concrete poured. My husband is taking a jackhammer and just breaking up all this concrete. It was about 10 inches thick. We removed all the rocks and rubble, and after an exhausting couple of days, my husband was ready to get the stone in and get it compacted and ready for the contractors to pour the concrete. I wasn't able to video, but the contractor sent us these pictures just after they poured the concrete. And this is a little later in the day when I could get there to video what it looked like. And you can see in that back corner how the spouting is going down in a bucket, and we are gonna have that fixed and rerouted. I'll show you the picture of how the contractor rerouted that. The next project is showing how we transplanted giant green thujas from one area and then planted them out front of the house. First, we dug around the bottom perimeter of the trees, and then we wrapped straps around the base of the trees a couple of times, and my husband and son uprooted the trees gently by using a tire and the hitch of their vehicle and pulling. My husband fired up the backhoe and got it situated where he was going to dig the holes for the new giant thuja location. After we measured and painted the circles, the backhoe made it easy to dig the holes. And this is after the thujas were transplanted. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.